Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that many Roblox players encounter, error code 1000. If you've ever been frustrated by this error, you're in the right place. We'll discuss what error code 1000 is, and most importantly, how to fix it. So, let's dive in. Before we get into the solutions, let's understand what Roblox error code 1000 actually is. This error can occur due to various reasons, such as faulty internet connection, outdated game version, or even security issues. It can be quite frustrating, but the good news is that it's usually fixable. Now, let's get to the important part, how to fix error code 1000. We've gathered some effective solutions to help you resolve this issue and get back to enjoying your favorite Roblox games. One of the most common causes of error code 1000 is a poor or unstable internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network, and if possible, try restarting your router. This simple step can often resolve the issue. Outdated game versions can sometimes trigger error code 1000. To fix this, make sure your Roblox client is up to date. You can do this by closing the game, reopening it, and allowing it to update if a new version is available. Security software or antivirus programs on your device can sometimes interfere with Roblox and cause error code 1000. Temporarily disabling them or adding Roblox to the list of trusted applications can help resolve this issue. If you've tried the above solutions and are still experiencing error code 1000, it might be time to reach out to Roblox support. They can provide personalized assistance and further troubleshooting steps to help you get back to gaming without interruptions. And there you have it, a guide to fixing Roblox error code 1000. We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any other tips or experiences with this error, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't let technical hiccups get in the way of your gaming fun. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.